Alright, here's a hot truck. 1971 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Now this truck has had a restoration done to it, and when that was done, when I say hot truck, here's why. Take a look at this. The badging up here, 6-liter LS2 has been installed in this truck. Stopping power provided by 4 disc brakes at all corners. Those are power. So power brakes, power steering, vintage AC also underneath the hood of this. Nice combination with the white and red, or excuse me, white and orange two-tone. Cheyenne 10 badging on the side over there. Paint on this truck also nice shape. See, it's got a nice gloss finish to it. You may find a few little nicks, chips, very small ones here and there, but overall truck is very straight, very clean. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look this thing over, look at this truck, all angles, underside, top sides, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website listing where you can see it. Feel free to call to 507-386-1726. Happy to help you out with it. That 6-liter underneath the hood is paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear end. So nice setup. This truck's made to drive. Amenities on the inside also very nice. Bench seat, vinyl in good shape, carpeting. Interior kept very stock looking, with the exception of an I did it tilt column. Glass in the truck also all new, as well as you can see the oak in the bed back here, your stainless, all looking good. This truck you can take to any of your local shows, cruise-ins, turn some heads. Be proud to drive this one. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. May be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. That wood grain across the back where the Chevrolet is written. Very era correct looking. To the 70s. You take a look at the underside picture. Also going to notice Flowmaster exhaust. This truck has a nice sound to it. We're going to fire it up here in just a little bit. Some American Racing wheels there are 20 inches. Fill up the wheel wells nicely. Again, give this truck a great look to it. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And, of course, that phone number, 507-386-1726. And again, you can see down the driver's side of this truck, also nice and straight. Let's go ahead and check out the interior on this. Like I said, stout looking dash with the exception of steering wheel, tilt column. A little more comfortable and convenient for you. Door panels, looking very stock. So they retained the stock, look of this truck. With a few exceptions, of course, that power plant underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. Of course, very easy to start with that fuel injection. A little retro style radio. Has not been converted or working, FYI. Alright, slip around to the back of this so you can hear it. Door closes very easily, fits nice. So those Flowmasters, nothing obnoxious, just a nice sounding 6-liter underneath the hood there. first off, you get a little glare off that, but yeah, look at that. And it looks cloudy because of the glare of the camera, unfortunately. But that underneath the hood finished off in a nice gloss black paint. Look at this. How nice that fits, how nicely that's been done. Aluminum radiator, just running. Beautiful, nice and smooth. And a great fit, a great look underneath there of that LS2. Nice setup here, folks. So there you go, you're looking for an older truck with a modern power plant. Got a 71 Chevy C10 regular cab short box. LS2, 6-liter underneath the hood. Modern tranny, 12-bolt rear end. Power disc brakes, all 4 corners. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Now remember, we can assist you in getting this truck to where you're located at. Financing is available. We can assist you with pretty much anything you would need on this. May even be eligible for an extended service contract. And we do consider trades. So give us a call. Once again, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.